Hey guys, we received this Chalcola extra fine tip liquid chalk markers for test and try. You can use it on a blackboard. It's a 30 pack, 1 mm, pastel plus neon chalk pens with a erasable dry erase marker. So you can use it on a chalkboard, blackboard, windows, car, or even on uh, notebooks and everything. Just because I will just use it for a test and try. But this comes in this nice box, and let me just open up some of these colors. So as you can see, this comes in this nice chalk like a pen shape or a marker shape. There's a soft nibs in the bottom, so you have to shake and then press it to work with that. 30 bright and earthy colors, as you can see it here. So you can just press it for some time and shake. Very nice extra fine tip, so it is good to write on the things and perfect for detailed and precise lines. So here you can see like it can easily write, very smooth writing. I'm just testing on a notebook, but of course you can use it on a chalkboard or glass or anything. But this looks really nice. The color are bright and good as well. With the fine tip, it's easy to write in your own handwriting and make a write or the nice design. And the bright colors I'm just trying to show like how this is nice for any occasion, and you can write on the your containers, glass, or any other things. So pretty nice combination of the colors or the bright colors along with the quality, and they are the nice chalk pens.